I'm here today to talk to you about selecting an information technology managed service provider. An IT managed services provider, or MSP for short, can manage some or all of your business's IT needs. An MSP can manage buying IT equipment, installation and setup, management of hardware and software, and will support all business-specific software for your practice. Most MSPs will offer a solution to handle servers, data backups, and should also be able to manage your website if you desire. A good MSP will become a very tightly integrated service provider for your business, and in selecting one, you will need to ensure that they will meet all of your IT and business requirements. The best place to begin with choosing your MSP starts with gathering a list of your current IT assets, including hardware, business software currently in use, software you may desire to use in the future, internet service provider information, as well as number of employees who use your current IT systems. When considering hardware, consider hardware beyond your PC workstations, such as clinical testing equipment that is or should be networked into your practice management or EHR software. You may also want to consider getting input on MSP requirements from your practice management software provider or platform. Also, consider the possibility of other remote services you may use or consider using in the future, such as bookkeeping or call centers, which will need to be integrated into your IT solution. Next, determine which services you would like an MSP to provide you with. For example, you may already have someone who handles all or part of your website upkeep, or you may have certain things you want to handle yourself. An MSP should be able to work with other providers on integrating these solutions, along with the ones they will be providing. MSPs may also offer add-on services, such as additional spam filtering, off-site backup hosting, or secure remote access to Office PCs, which can be an additional benefit and cost. Following this, you'll want to search out an initial list of MSPs to contact. If you require hands-on support, you'll want an MSP with an office local to you. Most service providers will be willing to travel to your location, but you should consider things like response time if they need to be physically on site if a work-stopping problem requires it. Start your search with IT Managed Service Provider, followed by the primary city in which your business is located. If you have multiple locations, make sure to mention this during the initial outreach to ensure they will be able to support all your business locations. Once you have built your initial list of MSPs in your area, begin to narrow them down by reviewing their websites for services offered, as well as looking at corporate reviews on Glassdoor.com and local reviews on Google. Oftentimes, providers will list some of their clients. Get in touch with some of these businesses if possible, and ask what they like or dislike about their current provider. Doing these things should help you produce a short list of providers which meet your requirements for location, services offered, and have good reviews and recommendations. You will then be ready for your initial outreach to these providers to request more information. Following or during this initial outreach, you should be able to speak with a sales agent at the service provider to get some further information on which services they will provide you with. At this point, you should observe things like response time to your initial outreach, as it may help you determine the responsiveness of a service provider once you've entered a business relationship with them. During the initial meeting with them, they will ask certain questions about your current environment, including, but not limited to, number of current users, number of current systems, brand of your networking equipment, as well as which business software you would like them to support. Key questions to ask during this meeting will be their experience supporting clients that must comply with HIPAA, their experience supporting businesses with the number of users your business will have, as well as their average response times to issues, along with any specific concerns, such as their willingness to travel to your locations if needed. If you are seeking website support from them, ask what search engine optimization services they offer to help drive people searching locally to your business. Finally, it is important to ask what kind of report data you can expect from them, as it can be important to have so you can identify if certain systems or software are costing your business more to support than the cost of replacement. Following these initial meetings, you will be able to determine which managed service provider will be able to support your business needs for an effective price while providing you with the level of service you require. Stay tuned for more technology insights from Cleinman Performance Partners.